Today I'm doing an unboxing of a $200 toolkit that my work made me buy. Well, made is a strong word. It's just they offered it and then I bought it. Anyways, I'm gonna see what's inside a $200 toolkit. Also, I spilled my drink everywhere. I hope the emergency brake isn't important. It's very hot in my car. My AC is broken. That's why I had the windows down and you can hear traffic. People driving by. How do I open this? I need a cut down here. And I just stabbed a hole in my seat. Careful with knives. I can't really see the hole, so I think it's fine. Anyways. Okay, first thing that's in here is a tool bag. Your standard, looks like it holds your tools. Big surprise. Is there anything in here? Nope, just extra storage. Then we got needle nose pliers. We got plump pliers. We got that thing. We got a screwdriver. Oh. Screwdriver. Looks like a Phillips. Got a screwdriver, another Phillips. Got some more pliers. And some more pliers. And then some more pliers for wire stripping. And some more screwdrivers. It's a flathead. And lastly, another flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna try to look up the prices of all this and see if it was worth it. Buying it in this pack probably is, because all this is probably not worth it, but the tool bags are usually expensive for some reason. Okay, I'm gonna go because it's super fucking hot now.